Let's see. Oh wow, look at this. So I remember that an hour ago I put a cicada nymph on this curtain, and now it had hatched into adulthood. I noticed that because it has a big tail thing, so I noticed that it is a female. And I noticed also that when it first hatched, its wings is slightly orange, a fresh orange color that I like. So right now, she is clinging onto her old skin and drying her wings. She will be able to fly in a few hours' time. Oh wow, look at this scene. You can see that every cicada nymphs that I put on this curtain maybe an hour ago had hatched into a cicadas. But as you can see that some cicadas nymphs first hatched in a slightly green color, but the cicada that I had just shown you on the curtain was slightly orange. So that's the difference between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are a whole lot of them. 5. So in a few hours time, its color will turn from bright color to brown, dark brown, and then they will be able to fly. Wow, look at this. Tomorrow morning, I will be setting free all those 5 cicadas, and then they will be able to mate with other cicadas in the wild.